My name is Christoph Gebert. I'm Managing Director of Acatis and I'm the fund advisor of the Acatis Fair Value Deutschland ELM fund.
Why do you prefer to invest in small and mid caps at Acatis Fair Value Deutschland ELM?
We do like small mid caps very much. There are 5 good arguments. The first one is the bigger investment universe. 95% are small mid caps. And if you like to establish a high concentrated portfolio, you have to have a higher investment universe. The second positive argument are the better financial ratios. The small and mid caps are much more profitable and do have a higher equity ratio. And usually there's a positive correlation between financial performance and the share price development in the future. And also you can get a better performance with the allocation into small and mid caps. Our analyses show that the last 20 years, small and mid caps outperformed the DAX by 5 percentage points per annum. The fourth argument are the information inefficiencies. The smaller the companies, the lower the analyst coverage. And we do like to find companies which are undervalued. And usually undervalued companies are companies with a lower analyst intensity. And the last point is a risk perspective. You get a better diversification because if you build a portfolio with small mid caps, you have highly specialized companies with different end markets, operating in different sectors, countries, and therefore the assets are uncorrelated.
The fund invests in a strictly sustainable manner. What exactly does that mean?
We have incorporated sustainability some years ago. We rely on our partner, Acatis Fair Value Investment AG. They do have developed for more than 10 years an own sustainability process. There are 3 factors which they are analyzing. The first one is exclusion, so we can't invest in companies, for example, from the military industry. The second one is ESG, it is environmental, social and governance. And the third one is a little bit more forward-looking. We look into the SDGs, Sustainable Development Goals, and companies must fulfill one of the 17 SDGs.
What distinguishes the fund from other funds in the same category? What are its strengths?
We are the dinosaur of the German fund market. Our fund exists since 2003. That means more than 20 years. We have never changed anything. Our investment process is still the same since the beginning, and we will not change anything in the future. We do invest for the long term. It's a high conviction portfolio. We don't speculate or trade anything. Our turnover in the portfolio is therefore very, very low.
What are the latest developments in the fund?
We are a long-term investor. We do invest for the eternity. It is clear if we find a new investment company, we then invest. And if there's anything to change, to sell a stock because, for example, the share price target has achieved or arrived, then we would sell. We have identified interesting megatrends, and with a fund investment, you can participate. One is digitalization. It's all about software, IT, semiconductor. We have also identified the healthcare sector, and the next one is a higher share of renewable assets, because we like to benefit from the change of the energy system. Last but not least, there are so many good industrial companies, world market leaders, and that is also a very big driver going forward.